There's the good stuff here. Okay, let's see. What? No depth mic?
I don't see one.
Oh,
I'll go
dadgummit.
grab one.
Sorry about that. I thought I had all my tools. Dang it. Anyways, how to read a depth mic. Adjust.
You know what you got, Mark?
Pardon?
On the top?
Well, it doesn't matter. It's tapered.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter what I got. But you get the idea how you got to go back and forth and keep one end, so go back and forth, and then up and down until you find where it just touches. Like I said, that thing's tapered. That's a mold, so that thing inside's tapered, so it comes
Yeah,
out.
it's getting smaller at the bottom.
Right, getting smaller at the bottom.
You don't get as much coffee.
You have to go
I mean, you could use one hand when you get good and just hold it up there and wiggle it back and forth and go up and down with one hand.
The anvils.
Yeah. Yeah, either side. It doesn't matter which side you hold. Just hold one side or the other. All right, let's go on to something else while she's fetching them things. Or of course, maybe she won't hear. She'll probably be mad if she misses any of this, my speech, won't she? You better just wait.
Watch it again.
Well, yeah, I probably could, but they're not seeing my face. What are you gonna do with that, Dan? And here I am, I'm scrolling all over the place, so
Oh.
well, I don't blame you.
Wait, what did you say?
I want to break the camera.
Oh.
Thank you. Sorry about
Interesting,
that.
the case is padded. Is that to protect the
Yeah,
pool?
yeah, well, they used to be wood. And now they're cheaper. So, these are depth mics. They're also blade depth mics. Generally, they're round. These are for getting into grooves and channels and stuff that a round one can't. Take these and turn them any direction you want. Doesn't affect the accuracy. These are for depth micing down into into a hole or into a counter bore, into
I was using these earlier. But
yeah. So these also have interchangeable stems. Thing you want to watch when you take these in and out that they're clean. I just wipe these off on my shirt. Take this, wipe the head off like that when you switch them. And you probably be a good idea if you're not using somebody else's mics or something. I don't check mine because I know mine are right. But if you grab some, because I have checked them, but I don't check them every time. But if you grab somebody's mics that you're not familiar with and you're doing something that needs to be, it's worth depth mic into a gauge block or something that's known so you know that they're right. Don't trust anybody.
those ones are square.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you can get the little spot.
Yeah, because they don't turn. When you turn the thimble, see how they don't spin. Where a normal depth mic, a round depth mic, everything turns. So these are more expensive, but you could use them just like a round one. I mean, depth mic and it's a depth mic. See how that blade doesn't turn?
Oh, 260, 264, non-rotating.
For 0 to 6?
0 to 4.
0 to 4s.
3, I don't know.
Yeah,
we have
0
0
to
to
3.
6 over there, so they're even more.
Yeah, this is 0 to 6.
So they're probably like $400 then.
Yeah, you can buy stems probably that go up to, I have 0 to 9s and I bought 3 extra stems to go to 12 inches. Need a longer one? Yep,
Yeah.
need the next longer one, so go ahead and put that one in. So you take that thimble off. You don't have to crank on that when you put it back together either. There's not that much thread on there and it's a fine thread. So you need to find it. Those are in inch increments also. Well, they should be in an order.
Oh.
1, 2, 3, 4. That's what they should be.
Okay.
Yeah,
that was just randomly in there, I think.
Well, one is always gonna be in it. think.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Then when you take one of those out, put it back in the case. Don't throw it on the bench or put it anywhere else. Put it right back in the case, and then when you doesn't get lost, doesn't get damaged. Let's see.
How much is your toolbox worth?
If I had to buy everything new, probably 4,000 or 5,000 maybe. I've got 0 to 6 mics, 3 sets of depth mics, calipers, indicators. That's the stuff that costs some money. You know, crescent wrench doesn't cost anything. Screwdriver doesn't cost anything. There's some other, you know, like the solid squares and stuff like that that are expensive. You don't want to buy a cheap one because they're not any good to begin with. So if you're checking something for squareness and that isn't square, not much good.
I definitely see a way off.
Yeah. How you making out with that? That bottom's not flat either probably, and neither is the rim, so it's probably not going to get a consistent measurement, but you can get a feel for when you hit bottom. And it's the same thing. It's a touch thing. You can get a little different. You just screw it down till it makes contact, and that's it. So what are you getting on that? Read that.
This is 4 inches.
See how that scale goes different? Instead of going right to left, it's going zeros on the right-hand side instead of the left-hand side when you're looking at it, because everything's going down.
Yeah. Get smaller, not bigger.
So, like I said, it's easy to misread them. I've done it many times, thinking, oh, screwed this up, you know, it's supposed to be this, I'm looking for this, and it's that. Well, no, you got more to take off, as opposed to, oh, nice.
Is that better to that one?
Yeah. Yeah. The table's flat enough. You change stems. Here, Derek wants to change them this time. Put this set of stems in there, you can get with that.